Welcome to our Thriving Tomorrow University community, where sustainability, entrepreneurship, and technology all converge to shape a brighter tomorrow. As we continue to expand our global community, we're excited to bring together passionate learners from all around the world. I'm Amélie. I'm Tomorrow University's community builder, and I'm excited to help empower learners from all around the world to tap into our network and their full potential and find all the tools they need to become true change makers. Our community meetups are more than just gatherings. They're vibrant hubs of learning and collaboration. These events serve as catalysts, fostering invaluable connections and sparking meaningful exchanges among our learners and broader community. We collaborate with local sustainability stakeholders to create learner and expert-led workshops and interactive sessions. These initiatives enrich the learning experience, providing learners with unparalleled opportunities to network, gain insights, and delve deeper into areas of sustainability that resonate with them. These meetups are where ideas flourish, friendships form, and innovation thrives. They're a testament to our commitment to creating an environment that nurtures learning, fosters creativity, and cultivates a sense of community. At Tomorrow University, we're not just building a community, we're shaping the future. Join us on this exciting journey towards meaningful change.